Unit 1. Honk honk, toot toot. I am a car. I am a car. Toot toot car. The red car is on the road. So in this page we can see the red car is on the road. Where is the car going? The car is going for a ride. Activity 7. What are they talking? Complete their conversation. I have wheels. I too have wheels. I have wings. I have no wings. I have a horn. I have no horn. I have a horn. Honk honk horn. The bus has a horn. It sounds honk honk. So in this page we can see that the bus is having a horn and the sound of the horn is honk honk. Does the bus have only a horn? No. Name the other parts of the bus. So the other parts of the bus are wheels, wipers, headlights, doors, windows, seats. I have lights. White lights. The car has two lights. They are white. So in this page we can see that the car has two lights and they are white in color. The car has many parts. Can you name them? Some of the parts of the car are seats, door, steering, wheel, horn, lights. Next let us do activity 8 in beehive. Let us complete the sentences. This is a blue bus. The bus has seats. The bus has horns. The bus has wheels. The bus has windows. This is a red car. The car has seats. The car has doors. The car has wheels. The car has lights. I run fast. So here the bus is saying that it runs fast. Me too. Hey, the bus runs fast. The car runs fast. So here we can see that the bus and the car runs fast. The car and bus run fast. Is it good? No. Honk honk. Hey car, give way. Stop, shouts the police officer. The bus does not stop. The car does not stop. So in this page we can see the police officer is shouting to stop. But the bus and the car does not stop. Stop. Toot toot. You move. So in this page we can see the police officer trying to stop them and the car is telling to move. What will happen now? The bus and the car will hit each other. Next, let's do activity 9 in beehive. Activity 9. What do they say? Hey car, give way. You move. Stop. The bus and the car hit each other. So, in this page we can see that the bus and the car have hit each other. Where is the police officer? The police officer runs away. What will the police officer do? The police officer will take action against the car and the bus. Ouch! My horn! The horn fell down. The car's light fell down. So, in this page we can see the horn fell down and the car's light fell down. Oh, my light! What happened to the bus? The horn of the bus fell down. What happened to the car? The car's light fell down. Now let's do activity 10 in Beehive. Activity 10. Let us complete the sentence. This jeep has no wheels. This lorry has no headlights. This cycle has no seat. This van has no door. It is your mistake. The bus is saying to the car that it is the car's mistake. No, it is your mistake. The bus is angry. The car is also angry. So in this page we can see that the car is saying that it is the mistake of the bus. The bus is angry and the car is also angry. Why is the bus angry? The bus is angry because it's mistake of the car. Why is the car angry? The car is angry because it's mistake of the bus. It is your mistake. I am sorry, sir. So in this page we can see that the police officer is saying it is the mistake of the bus, and the bus is saying sorry to the police officer. It is your mistake too. Sorry, sir. In this page we can see the police officer is saying that it is the mistake of the car also, and the car is saying sorry to the police officer. Who made a mistake on the road? The bus and the car both made a mistake. What does the police officer say? The police officer is saying that it is the mistake of both the car and the bus. Now let's do activity 11 in Beehive. Activity 11. What will the dog say? A cup of tea, please. Crack. It is your mistake. I am sorry. Here is your horn. In this page we can see that the monkey is giving the horn to the bus. Who helps the bus? The monkey fixes the horn for the bus. Who helps the car? The cow fixes the light of the car. Here is your light. The horn is ready. The light is ready. The bus and the car are happy. So in this page we can see that the cow is fixing the light for the car. And then the horn is ready and the light is also ready. Both the bus and car are happy. Thank you, sir. In this page we can see the car is thanking the police officer. Do not repeat it. Bye, sir. So in this page the police officer is telling them not to repeat it. And the bus is saying bye to the police officer. Will they go fast now? No. Green trees, you are so nice. I am so happy to see you all. Bluebirds, Bluebirds, you are so nice. I am so happy to see you all. In this page, we can see in the first stanza, it has been written about green trees which are nice, and seeing them we are happy. In the second stanza, we can see it is written about bluebirds, how they are nice, and seeing them we are happy. Next we have to do activity 12 in beehive. Activity 12. Add a line to the song. Green trees, you are so fine. I am so happy to see you all. Bluebirds, you are so fine. I am so happy to see you all. Red roses, you are so fine. I am so happy to see you all. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.